Hey there, I'm Jennifer Duck. I'm tired, but what's up with y'all? I got some 8 drumsticks that we got, and I'm gonna try a different recipe on the back of this chicken thing, but I'm gonna do it with a twist. Welcome to our home. I'm sorry, I'm Jennifer Duck in my jammies. Hold on. Everything, I don't have, I need to get a tripod. You know that? Hold on, hold that thought. Maybe we could do it this way. All right. It says to add a quart of buttermilk. Well, I don't have any buttermilk, so what I'm going to use is heavy cream. That'll work. A tablespoon of hot sauce. I don't do hot sauce. We're using Baby Ray. 2 tablespoons of Cajun pepper. I don't do Cajun pepper. Great seasoning. That works for me. And 8 drumsticks. All right. And it said 1 bay leaf. Well, I got one of them. Hold on. Let me find it. Let me find it. Oh God, where's my bay leaves? Maybe I have bay leaf. Huh? Thought I had bay leaf. Next Diane. Oh yeah. Bailey. They're a little old, but they'll still work. I got them in a container. They smell good. We'll put 2 bay leaves in. Okay, hold on. I hope 8 chicken drumsticks are gonna fit in there. Oh, Lena Beaner. I like chives. Let's add a little chives to it. Making up as I go. All right. I always cover up my chives with a little saran wrap. It keeps them fresher. We don't need as much as that, you know? All right. So I give it a little swirl. Hold on to it. It says to put it in a container, but we'll see what. Now I gotta add a cup of flour in here. Oh, add a little salt. Let me get a little salt. This is a pink salt. That's Nick in the background making us ice. Ice! A little black pepper. That's Nick making more noise in the background.
Ice noise.
Ice, baby!
I don't think it's an ice maker.
And I'd like to add one more ingredient. Turmeric. Just add a little. When it's not full. Come on. Did that wake up anybody? Ooh, that's plenty. Mix it around. All right, let's put this over here. I need 1 cup of flour. Hang on, I'll be right back. Don't go here. What is it? Sugar? What is it?
What is it?
I got it. Don't worry about it.
This? What do you think?
That's what I said. To add 1 cup of flour. It should be interesting. Can you put my flour back?
Where is it?
Right here. Mix it around. Let me put you down here. Hold on.
That's your favorite spot, I think, right?
Meaner.
That's her spot.
This is funny. And now they said to drop the chicken in it. It's like a paste. I'll show you.
Where'd you get that recipe?
Off the back of the
Was
bag.
it on the bag of chicken?
Yeah. It's just like a paste. And this chicken had chicken feathers. So I hope, if not, I'll have to put it in something else. I don't think it's going to fit.
I'm gonna go feed the squirters here, Lisa.
You going to feed the squirts, Dad? Might have to put it in a bowl. That's what it's looking like. I don't think I have a big enough bag for holding this. Let's get them all in there. I don't think it's all gonna fit. 8. Probably blow up the bag. Supposed to do it overnight. What do you think? I don't think it's gonna hold it. Oh boy, that's getting a little. 2 more to go. Hang on, I gotta pull the feathers off the chicken. For God's sakes. Okay, I got all the chicken in there. Let's see if the chicken bag's gonna close. No. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-huh. I think I'm going to put it in different container with a lid on it. Hold on. I'm on YouTube learning how to use cut cap or something like that. Hold on. I gotta look for a container. Oh, I know one. This is for my steak. I'll use this one. And I'll put you back up here. Handicapped today, can't open things. It's just got these grids. Yeah, I'll just leave it in the plastic bag. Coat it real good overnight. That's what it says. What I should have done was just add them one piece at a time and then put them on the plate and get so they get coated. Well, it's still holding up, so that's what I'll just do. I'm gonna leave it like this overnight. I'll put the lid on it. I don't do Cajun, so what I have is I just substituted buttermilk for whipped cream, heavy whipped cream. It's milk. My Baby Ray, my seasoning, salt and pepper, and it said, I should cut this recipe out. I did black pepper. Oh, 2 tablespoons of butter? Now, wait a minute. The hell is the butter supposed to come in? Let me look. Stir in all the ingredients, coat it well, put it in the refrigerator for several hours. Predate, and then take it out, put it on a pan, and bake it at 400 degrees. Drain off the excess. Do not rinse. It'll work. I'll make it work. Okay, let me put it in the fridge. If there's any room in the fridge. Oh Lord, there's no room in the fridge. All right, let's put my mess away here. Well, you know, I probably did it wrong, but you know, it'll still work. I'll figure it. But that's what it said on the paper. So this morning I had coffee with my creamer and a little bit of caramel. Oh God, that was good. All right, we'll cut this recipe out. I told Nick, don't buy any more milk. He wastes the milk. I could have made cheese out of it. There we go. I'm gonna wash my. I have this thing about touching chicken. I don't know why, but I just do. I gotta spray it with Clorox and everything. I'll be right back. Can you put my thing in the dryer? My blanket. Put it in the dryer, please. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Yes. Put a bounce sheet in it too. Feathers. I guess the workers forgot to pluck the feathers. Oh my goodness. That's funny. Alright, I'm going back to what I was doing. Learning how to use. Alright. Don't throw that recipe out. There's a recipe over there by the tomatoes. I did. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Alright, we're going to go to our room. And then it says, after it sits for several hours in the fridge, take it out, drain off the excess. Probably won't be any. But put it in a pan. Let's see. Preheat oven at 400 degrees. Remove the chicken from the fridge, drain whatever. Don't rinse. And bake it for, oh, add the butter. Okay. I'll probably bake it in my cast iron. Let's see. Butter, melt the butter, put in the pan. And then it says you can do, what is it, 400 or 3? Oh, gosh. I should put my specs on. Lena! Stop it! Oh. Put the butter hot in the oven, melt it, and then cook for 20 minutes in the oven. Oh. Then 350. It depends how high. Right here, I'm looking at it. 20 minutes. I need to go to what is it? www.marinade.com. AMICKfarms.com and tell them they're not doing their job. Oh, we're out of spoons. We're out to spoons.
They're clean in the dishwasher right now.
We're going to our room.
Dishwasher is clean.
Okay, I'm going to my room. What are you doing, Boo? I didn't. No. That's right, for my glasses. I went flying into my room. Scorpion! Scorpion! Spider, scorpion!
Where?
Here, quick!
Where?
What is that?
I'm coming to look.
What is it?
It's a leaf.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh,
It's nothing, see?
okay.
Fell off a tree.
See? I flipped out. Scorpion! Spider. Yeah, I'm tired. I know you all laughed about that one. Oh, Bubba, Mama's tired. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Mommy's lost it. That was funny. I know y'all were laughing. I was laughing too. Oh, heck. It's time to quit for the day. Well, I'm Jennifer Duck. Thank you all for coming by and chatting, and hope you all have a good night. It won't take long. I'm tired. Worn down today. I haven't done hardly nothing. Not like yesterday. I worked hard yesterday. Let's see if I can understand this for seniors. It's editing and but if it's AI, I don't even want it. I like me. I'm real. I'm not a robot. Am I a robot, Baba? Y'all have a good. I had to clean my. Hold on. I had to my rug, my thing that I lay on here. I must have put too much of something in the water. It bothers me. Hold on. I can't breathe it. I know I'm not making any sense. I don't make sense half the time. Let me get some water. Hold on. Oh, whew. Hold on. Okay, I'll let you go. I'm going to try and figure this out. I'm Jennifer Duck. Thank you all for coming by. Have a good night, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.